Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today we are going to look at some of the letters which have the similar sound. We have Kakka, Khakha, and Gaga. Their sounds are so similar that if you are learning this language, you will get confused. Kakka is going to give me the sound of K, and K we can write in many ways in English. It can be starting with a K, or a C, or a Q. Depending on the word that we have, we can use any of these letters. But the sound of K is unique in Punjabi. We cannot write the sound of K with any other letter. The second letter is Khakha. The sound of Khakha is K. There is no one letter that we can use to represent its sound. So it will be the combination of K and H. The last one is Gaga. The sound of Gaga is G. You can represent it with a G. Now, listen these sounds. K, K, G. They are almost same, right? What we are going to do is we are going to have some examples so that it will be easy to remember which letter gives which sound. From Kakka, we are going to have the sound of K, and from K, we can have karma. From Khakha, we are going to get the sound of K, and from K, we can have Khalisi. From Gaga, we are going to have the sound of G, and from G, we have Greece. Three letters, three different sounds, and three different examples. I hope it clears the doubt regarding the sounds that they have. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.